And for the cornrow, I actually left like 2 middle cornrows that I started from the front to the back. That's the middle one. So I just cornrow from the front to the back of her head. And while I was cornrolling, I actually crossed them together. Hi loves, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. And so today's video is going to be a detailed tutorial on how to sew in without a closure or a leave out. So this method is actually new, so I will advise that you stick around, watch the video from the beginning to the end, and if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Support our ministry, guys. Give the video a big thumbs up. First, as usual, we'll just go ahead to cornrow the hair all back into a center part. Sorry, I did not get the clip on where I was parting the hair and also cornrolling it from this other side. Then for the remaining cornrow, I just cornroll it in the way that I would cornrow a center part hair. That's for the rest of the cornrows. And these sizes are middle size. And then for the middle one, like I said before, I actually crossed the 2 middle cornrows when I got to the middle of the cornrows. Hope you get it, but just watch the video. And while I was cornrolling, I was attaching little extensions to the hair so that it would be firm enough for me to sew in. And yeah, for the rest of the cornrows, I am just attaching the tips of the hair to each other, which is the regular thing I do whenever I'm cornrolling for a sew in. And the cornrows were not too tight because her scalp is very soft. And then for the last tip, I will just go ahead to use needle and thread to secure it before starting the sewing of the bundles. Alright, to start, I am starting from the very back of her head, and then I'm going to also be doing the turnover method while I am sewing. So when I get to the end of a particular line, we'll just flip it over to the next line and continue to sew in. So I'll be doing turnover method all through because I don't want to cut her bundles. So starting off from the back, I'm sewing in double weft. I'm not sewing in a single weft because she came with 2 bundles. So I'm going to start with double weft so that I can be able to sew in all the 2 bundles onto her head. So yeah, and we want the back to be fuller than the middle or the front. So I'm starting with the double weft at the back. So like I said before, I do not want to cut her weft or her bundles, so I'm going to be doing the turnover method all through from the back to the front. This is so that I don't cut her weft. So just in case you want to buy hairs, wigs, frontals, closures, braided wigs, wavy hairs, straight hairs, coily hairs, bounce hairs, you can check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. is on your screen right now. And yeah, we ship worldwide, and our services also includes revamping of hairs, customization of wigs, and selling of luxury hairs on an affordable rate. So yeah, you guys, please patronize us. At this point, I'm just going to allow you just watch the whole process of sewing in. So yeah, like I said before, we started off by sewing in, but for the closing, you will get to see what we did last. So just watch. And like I said before, you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Share this video because you never can tell who will need it. Share it to friends and family.
They see my bitch, say she a bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I thought where you.
All right, for the last stitching, I'm stitching it very close to each other. That's the last weft. This is so that it can create or give like a neat finishing.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
All right, now for the closure, we are going to be crocheting an extra extension to the last two cornrows I created that I crossed. You guys remember that I crossed initially before starting up the sewing. So we are going to be crocheting it, and we are going to be using a crochet pin, and this is a different method, different way of crocheting. And to do this, I will just push the crochet pin in out of the cornrow and then attach the hair extension to the crochet pin, and then I'll pull the crochet pin out to form a loop, then pass one tip, just one tip. On a regular day you pass two tips, but this one is just one tip of the hair through the loop to tie a knot. We'll continue crocheting like so until I cover up all the cornrows, that's the remaining part of the front cornrow. crocheting, our advice that you use human hair to achieve that crocheting part. It will give like a better finish look. That is if you are using human hair behind, so you use human hair crochet. But if you are using a synthetic hair behind, that's the synthetic bundles at the back, you can either use a human hair crochet or a synthetic hair crochet. But if you are using a human hair bundle at the back, please make sure you use a human hair crochet hair extension. So right now I'm just brushing the hair just so that it will look realistic. This is like the finished touches. Alright, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. So if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Share the video to friends and family. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.